'twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. Those are the opening lines to a wonderful Christmas story poem by Clement C. Moore. That's right, Clement C. Moore wrote this poem. And what is the poem about? It's about a guy who discovers Santa Claus bringing presents on Christmas Eve. That's right. I like this story. I do too. And you know, one of the things that I like to do around Christmas time is he likes to eat. That's true. That's true. A lot of good stuff out there to eat. Not necessarily good for you, but tasty. Yes. What I was going to say though is I like to tell stories. Stories about Christmas. Exactly. Another thing that I like to do is what? He likes to sing Christmas songs. That's true. I love to sing Christmas songs like Jingle Bells and Up on the Rooftop, Reindeer Paws. That's right. And what is your favorite Christmas song? Oh, I like chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. I like those too. And so, boys and girls, we are going to be doing something special. That's right. On Tuesday, December 17th at 3 o'clock, right here at Healthy Families. Would you tell them what the address is? Oh yeah, you can look down below, but it's also, I'm gonna say, it's 1210 East Front Street in Port Angeles, Washington. Okay. What's the easiest way to find that? GPS? Yes, GPS, but what's the easiest building, the place that everybody will know it by? Oh yeah, you just come into the Domino's parking lot, come right around the side of the building. We're right there. That's right. And we're gonna have story time. That's right. I'm gonna be there, and so am I. Yeah. And Daryl's gonna have a few other friends as well. Yep. And we'll have some stories, and we'll do some singing together. So if that sounds like something you'd like to do, help you get in the Christmas spirit, yep, come join us. When is that again? It is Tuesday, December 17th at 3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock, right here at Healthy Families. We hope you can come. We hope you like singing. We hope you like stories. And Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Merry Christmas. Bye.